हेलो एवरीवन, आई होप यूर ऑल डूइंग फाइन। हम बिल्कुल ठीक हैं और आप हमारा शो देख रहे हैं और उसको एंजॉय कर रहे हैं और मौसम को भी एंजॉय कर रहे हैं
Oh my
और
God.
साथ ही साथ में
There's no need of me. I don't think I'm needed here. Wajia, that was so
what happened?
fake. What's wrong with you?
No, that is me being me.
Stop being you. Just be you. No, you're being fake. Which reminds me of Priyanka Chopra, who's in the background there.
Yes, वही आज हमारा टॉपिक है और तुम प्रियंका चोपड़ा के बारे में बात करना चाहती हो।
मैं नहीं, आप करना चाहती है apparently.
Well, why do you think Priyanka Chopra is fake?
I don't know. I just found her fake. There's something about her. I think it's the vibe. It's genuine बंदी नहीं लगती. Genuine बंदी.
क्या vibe है? आप इसकी
I
vibe
don't know.
जरा
There's
मुझे
something
explain
about
करें
it.
ना।
Maybe it's the way she acts, or it's just like she's trying too hard to be someone that she's not.
Aksa, are you
Did you
jealous of
watch
her?
her interview with the?
Are you? ओपरा के इंटरव्यू के बारे में बात करते हैं, पहले आप मुझे बताएं, are you jealous of her fame, her looks, her beauty?
Totally. I think you're absolutely right. I think I envy her. I think I envy her because of her husband. I'm a brown girl who wants a good husband.
I know, that's the story with Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka Chopra before Nick Jonas, Priyanka Chopra after Nick Jonas. It's a whole new.
Why is there a before and after? Has she changed? Like as a person, has she changed?
I don't know whether she has changed, but the way people view her has changed. Definitely, in my opinion.
She might have changed though. You know, you're right. Now that you pointed this out, you might be right. She's more fake now.
Okay, no.
So be honest, to fit into this Gora culture. Oh my God. I recently watched one of her posts on Insta because I was stalking her, because that's what I do. You know, people that I envy. I don't follow her on Insta, by the way, because I just don't want her to know that I follow her.
God, Aksa, you're so crazy.
I know. Insecurities, huh? Anyway, moving on. So I was talking and there was this post in which she's like, tell me. So Nick is in the background and she goes like, how can you tell? With this recent meme that is going viral where you're supposed to tell someone something without actually telling them something.
Oh, yes.
Which I don't completely understand. I don't know what's the point of it. But anyway, she's like, how to tell the world that we're announcing the Oscars without actually telling the world that we're announcing the Oscars. And then, you know, something happens. I lose my attention there.
In her defense, she did study. She did grow up in the US for some time.
She did not go to high school. She has
an accent. She has an accent because of that.
No. I'm not making fun of her accent here. I'm just making fun of the energy, the vibe. And then in the end, she's like, "Oh my God!" It's like, "Oh, Nick, you're so cute." It was so annoying. People go watch it.
You know, it is so funny that you don't like her, or you find her fake, and yet I find you so similar to her. I mean, are you it's a compliment if someone is saying that you look like Priyanka Chopra or you sound like Priyanka Chopra.
No, not that. She's far prettier. I'm not making fun of her, or I'm not judging her looks or anything. It's just the energy, the vibe, right? Nothing to do with the person. The energy,
you
the vibe.
You have the same energy and vibe, Aksa.
I'm my own person.
You are your own person. I agree.
It's a compliment if you're comparing me to her.
That's exactly
now I don't see her.
Yes, now you should not.
They see double standards.
Well, that's how brown people are. So before we talk about Nick and Priyanka, I think so Priyanka before Nick and Priyanka after Nick, let's talk about Oprah interviewing Priyanka Chopra.
I love her.
Who, Priyanka Chopra or
Oprah? Oprah adopt us. Me, my adopt my entire family.
ओपरा आंटी, अक्सा को प्लीज अडॉप्ट कर लें, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया होगा. ठीक है, अब मैं बताती हूँ. देखो, जो ओपरा के साथ प्रियंका चोपड़ा का इंटरव्यू आया ना, उस पे मैं अपने 2 सेंट्स दे दूं आपको. लोगों ने बड़े मीम्स बनाई हैं और बड़ा मजाक भी उड़ाया प्रियंका चोपड़ा का. ठीक है, खासतौर पे इंडिया पाकिस्तान में तो लोगों ने बहुत बनाया. ठीक है, मेरा ख्याल है कि मैं मानती हूँ कि इट वाज़न्ट द बेस्ट थिंग ऑन अर्थ, बट इतना भी नहीं करना चाहिए था यार. उसने कोई 2-4 अजीब सी बातें कह भी दी हैं, तो जस्ट लेट इट गो मैन, लेट इट गो.
So if I were to say to you that, Vajiha, I've had masala dosa, I think I know about Hinduism. Would you be okay with that? Would you be okay with the statement?
ओके आई एग्री कि इसमें थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन यार वो यहाँ पर इंटेलेक्चुअल तो नहीं है ना कि वो बैठकर सारी इंटेलेक्चुअल बातें करें. लोग, वो एक आम इंसान है अगर देखा जाए. शी हैजंट स्टडीड अबाउट she hasn't studied about, or she doesn't have to be politically correct all the time as well, right? And she hasn't studied about all, how you get to know about how do you talk about religions and acceptance and stuff like that. उस चीज को उसने पढ़ा नहीं है, उस चीज पे वो उन सर्कल्स में नहीं करती. she's just एक आम बंदी जो बेचारी बात कर रही थी और उसके मुंह से थोड़ी सी मतलब इतनी सेंसिबल बात नहीं निकली, लेकिन उसको we blew it out of proportion, I think.
हाँ, ठीक है. I think okay, fine. Yeah, she's we're bound to make mistakes and we're human beings. So you're trying to give her the benefit of the doubt, which is completely fair and all right. And she has that right. Lekin at the end of the day, I think the notion of the fact that, listen, celebrities have this soft power, right? They make an influence. People, millions of people, apparently her following is around 64 million or something like that. Millions of people follow her. People look up to these celebrities. They make culture, they drive culture in a way. So I think there is some sort of responsibility that lies or that falls on these guys to be mindful of the words they utter, because they can have a profound impact on certain communities, people. I think that's where the responsibility lies. But I also understand your point, where she's human, she's bound to make mistakes. Maybe she just said like a couple of things that did not sit well with some people. But if you have that big of a platform, if you're that famous, then you do have some responsibility when it comes
to agree. I agree. लेकिन एक बात है यार, ये जो प्रॉब्लम तुम कर रही हो ना, ये प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ प्रियंका चोपड़ा का नहीं है, ये प्रॉब्लम पूरे साउथ एशियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, टेलीविजन इंडस्ट्री, शोबिज का है. ठीक है, क्योंकि यार यहाँ पर लोग सेंसिबल बातें नहीं करते, वो अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी समझते ही नहीं है. तुम देख लो, फ्रॉम शाहरुख खान टू अदनान सिद्दीकी, ऑल द पीपल फ्रॉम इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, एवरीवन. ठीक है, कोई
अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, फॉर इंस्टेंस एंडोर्सिंग फेयर एंड लवली और व्हाइटनिंग क्रीम्स. That's where the money is at. हाँ, ad दे दे कोई भी, मैं भी आ जाऊंगी.
और दूसरी साइड पे फिर हमारे पास we have people like Kangana Ranaut who start with the normal kind of conversations. Kangana was really sensible और बड़ी अच्छी बातें करती थी वो. ठीक है, और फिर एकदम से उसको कोई switch off हुआ है और उसने अजीब बातें करना.
She's become a nationalist or staunch Modi supporter. By the way, that also ties in with her. She's trying to portray this image of India that is multicultural, sorry, I think I've forgotten how to say words today, but pluralistic society, when we know India is anything but, the present day India is anything but under Modi.
यार देखो, बात सुनो, पॉलिटिकली तो मैं इस पे नहीं, वो उसका राइट है, उसका भी राइट है, कंगना रनौत का भी राइट है कि वो क्या समझते हैं. ठीक है, वो बेशक मोदी के भी सपोर्टर हो सकते हैं, किसी के भी सपोर्टर हो सकते हैं. दैट्स टोटली ओके विद मी. माय प्रॉब्लम इज कि यार आप कम से कम इतने एक्सट्रीम पे ना जाओ कि आप अगर आप सोशल इश्यूज पे बात करो. आई एम टॉकिंग स्पेसिफिकली अबाउट कंगना रनौत, राइट? वो सोशल इश्यूज पे बात करी थी, सेंसिबल. देन शी स्टार्टेड बैशिंग everyone in the industry, everyone. यार ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता.
I think she started with nepotism and then she started bashing Muslims or Pakistanis, not Muslims but Pakistanis. Yeah.
And then she started bashing everyone. It was, now she bashes everyone.
Maybe she's recognizing that she has a platform and she can say whatever she wants now. So it's all of the power.
लेकिन मेरा ख्याल है प्रियंका चोपड़ा का जो इंटरव्यू था ओपरा के साथ, उसमें कुछ अच्छी बातें भी थी. प्रियंका did talk about being a brown woman internationally, right, in a developed country.
Yeah, well, that's the card she's playing right now. That's the only card she's
playing. Look, people love it. I have a friend who is from the Latinx community, और वो प्रियंका चोपड़ा पे मरता है. उसको
बहुत दुनिया मरती है बॉलीवुड स्टार्स पे, पूरा मिडिल ईस्ट बॉलीवुड स्टार्स पे मरता है. That's not something new. That's not,
लेकिन प्रियंका चोपड़ा is considered very pretty in the US. इसको बहुत
so what's the big deal? What does that have to do with looks? Like, what are we talking? The thing we're talking about today has nothing to do with her looks or the way she presents herself.
No, we're talking about her fame, and that is part of her fame, right? उसकी looks, उसका काम, she's a good actress.
How do we know she's a good actress? Sorry?
I'm saying we were talking about everything. We're talking about her work, how we're talking about her looks, we're talking about her fame. Everything is part of her, right?
Hey, poor
And
girl. Now I feel bad for her. We're just deconstructing or unpacking everything she does or says. As a woman, I feel bad.
I think the only thing that we cannot talk about should be her personal life. But then in today's world, every celebrity's life is, personal life
Yeah,
is
that's
talked
not.
about.
I'm just bashing her for what she said. You know what? I've never been to the Arctic, but I know polar bears exist. Also, did you see this meme where it was like, oh my God, you know what? My dad did not buy me iPhone 12 Pro Max. No, my dad bought me iPhone 12 instead of iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I know about poverty, you know. So maybe she just meant like, oh, let's give her the benefit of the doubt. Maybe she just meant like, you know what? I know about this thing called Islam. It exists. I don't know much about it, but it exists. So I'm aware of it.
यार मेरी एक बात सुनो, एक सेकंड, देखो मेरा ख्याल है उसका मतलब ये था कि उसके अबू जाते थे मस्जिद में, कोई नात वगैरह पढ़ने जाते होंगे, कोई मरसिये पढ़ने जाते होंगे, कुछ वो मस्जिद में जाते थे, तो उसके अबू ने उसको इस्लाम के बारे में बताया ही होगा ना थोड़ा बहुत, क्योंकि अगर वो मस्जिद
इस्लाम करने जा रहा हूं,
वो चाहे मुस्लिम है या नहीं, क्या
आई थिंक आई लॉस्ट इट, बताइए हमको मिलूंगा।
यार उसके वर्ड्स बेचारी के गलत हो गए थे। उसका कहने का मतलब था कि मेरे अब्बू मस्जिद जाया करते थे, वहां पर पार्टिसिपेट करते थे नातों में, और उसको नात का वर्ड नहीं आता होगा, नातों में या मरसिये में, तो इसलिए मुझे पता है कि इस्लाम, थोड़ा बहुत मुझे इस्लाम के बारे में पता है, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स ऑल शी मेंट। तो हम लोगों ने तो उसका सत्यानाश ही कर दिया। अच्छा, चलो प्रियंका और निक के बारे में बात करते हैं। बिफोर प्रियंका,
why are you're being nosy now?
नहीं, जो उनका पब्लिक लाइफ है, उनका पब्लिक, it's like a public couple. Let's talk about it. If we can talk about Hagen, we can talk about Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas.
I have nothing to say on that. I think they make a lovely couple. I mean, if they're happy, I'm happy. I want to be happy.
But you know what I like about Priyanka Chopra? She does accept that Nick Jonas did bring some stability in her life, right? And I was just watching an interview between.
So that's what a healthy marriage is like. I mean, I don't know what sort of marriages you have seen around you, but healthy marriages tend to bring positive.
But Nick Jonas was interviewing Priyanka Chopra for her book, and that video is available on YouTube. So if anyone wants to watch that, and they were having a very nice conversation. It was a pretty good conversation that they were having.
Yeah, too mature for his age.
Yeah.
Nick seems like too mature for his age, even though he's like
yes.
He seems like, oh my God. Let's talk about Nick. Let's forget Priyanka. Let's talk about Nick.
I thought तुमने कहा Nick जो है ना वो प्रियंका से एज में बहुत छोटा है, and I'm like, what? I am proud of Priyanka Chopra for breaking that stereotype, at least, not marrying someone who is not taking age into account. Not taking age into account. I completely agree. Nick के बारे में आप क्या बात करना चाहती हैं, अक्सर बताएं। प्यारा तो वो है, लेकिन वो प्रियंका चोपड़ा के साथ ज्यादा प्यारा लगता है।
तुम्हें लगता है वो छोड़ के आ रहा है, उसको छोड़ के मेरे पास आ रहा है?
नहीं, मैं कह रही थी तुम्हें छोड़ो, मुझे छोड़ो, सबको छोड़ो, वो प्रियंका चोपड़ा के साथ ही बेस्ट लगता है। I think she also brings a little bit of, a character to his personality.
I don't know what you're talking about. I think he's still the same.
So I think नहीं, obviously.
Not that I knew much about him before Priyanka happened.
मैं उसकी on-screen personality की बात कर रही हूँ। मुझे लगता है जब प्रियंका चोपड़ा is with Nick Jonas, his on-screen personality becomes more prominent.
I think he acts more mature. He tries to act more mature when she's around. I don't know what I'm talking about because I don't know anything about them, especially Nick. I think Nick got more prominent after Priyanka happened to him. Like, they started.
But I also think that South Asian audiences, started regarding Priyanka Chopra in a much better light because now she was married to a Gora guy, which is a little sad. I think
she was well respected even before. In fact, she was more respected. Now people just troll her.
Now people are jealous. किसके पास गोरा गाय है, हमारे पास गोरा गाय नहीं है, तुम्हारी तरह.
As if a Gora guy is a trophy.
It is not, but that's what South Asian audiences think. That's the problem. Anyway. Oprah के इंटरव्यू पे प्रियंका चोपड़ा also talked about her book, which is a little tricky because I
think she was promoting her book.
Yes, of course. But what I'm saying is that I find it a little funny that Priyanka Chopra, I've always looked at her as an actress, right? She's a great actress. लेकिन मुझे अजीब लगा कि यार बुक अगर आपने लिखनी है तो अपनी लाइफ के बारे में, अगर सिर्फ अपनी एक्टिंग जर्नी के बारे में लिखनी है, that I understand. But if it's about your life, your experiences and everything, I don't know if she has too much to offer there.
Let me tell you one thing. Today, celebdom, stardom is not just about your talent or acting. You try to sell everything that your brand represents. They have become brand names by now. Okay? So whatever she can attach her name to, she's going to make sure that that thing gets sold or is on the market. She has a restaurant now. I don't know why she needed a restaurant. Okay? I'm sure she's going to come up with her own skincare line in a few years. Because she's ambitious.
She has good
more
skin.
power to her. She is a very ambitious woman, वैसे.
And she has good skin. She has good skin.
Okay, fine. Debatable, but sure. I mean, yes, she has good skin because she has all those resources, woman. We can't compare. We can't talk about celebrity skin. Bhai, the amount of effort and money that goes into it, that's like, we can talk about that in a separate video, okay?
Okay.
There's a lot of money that they spend on how they look, okay? तुम्हें लगता है तुम्हारे वाला budget होता है उनका? एक $20 की क्रीम लेने से पहले you probably think like a million times.
Anyway, complete your thought about, the
Sorry,
brand
I
name.
got distracted. But yeah, so yeah, exactly. So that's what they are. They are about brands now. So she has a restaurant. She's selling her book because, of course, she's Priyanka Chopra. She has a huge following. She's famous. People want to know more about her.
Yeah, but it is a little sad because then you can't call yourself an actor only, right? You have to call yourself either an entertainer or something else, because an actor is supposed to act. Think about actors like Samita Patel.
No.
Samita Patel was an actress. She was there to act. That was her job, and she did that well, right? And she did not care how she looked, when she was off screen. Even on screen, Samita Patel had more of a personality than looks, and she would just be so. She was an artist. She was promoting her art through her, through movies, through acting, and that is something that I feel that is missing in today's actors, because and everywhere, not in Bollywood. In Pakistan, in Bollywood, Hollywood, UK's industry, every industry, the brand name, it looks like a business more than a talent.
But such unicorns don't exist anymore, Ruchika. That's capitalism. That's what drives them today. That's how it is. That's how things are.
Capitalism, आप अपने जॉब में भी तो कर सकते हैं ना कैपिटलिज्म. नहीं, आप एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं, पैसे बना रहे हैं, तो वो भी तो कैपिटलिज्म है.
So acting में कम कर रही है. She's producing most of her stuff now.
Producing is fine, because producing is one part. An actor leads to, if an actor becomes a producer, that is fine with me, because that is an extension of the same role, right? But maybe, और अगर उसने न्यूयॉर्क में रेस्टोरेंट खरीदना भी है तो वो खरीदे, but that has to be a personal venture. That should not be out there and
how is she going to sell it if she keeps it personal? If she keeps like a private account, how is she going to sell it? What are you talking about?
On the basis of a good restaurant, right? If it's a good restaurant, she markets it without having to say that this is owned by Priyanka.
You will do well in this world. Certainly, you're not one of them.
But can't she publicize the restaurant on the basis of the restaurant, not on the basis of her personality?
Take this up with her.
You tell me ना, अभी तो अब उससे तो बात हो नहीं सकती. अब हम तो ओपरा है नहीं, उसको बुलाया.
Am I her PA? Am I her representative? But अभी हाँ जी, बोले आप बोले.
मैंने कहा अभी आपसे ही गुजारा करना पड़ेगा, वो तो आ नहीं सकती, तो आप ही बताएं मुझे.
Sure. I think she's well, I mean that's her thing. If she wants to promote or she wants to attach her name to certain ventures, it's her life. She has the money, she has the means to do so. So but you're trying to bring talent, or you're trying to bring her skills into it, which is a separate debate, I suppose, because get on with the times. That's how things are done today. I mean, if you were to you can't really be a hermit and be like, oh, I only want to be known for my acting skills. Bhai, aaj ki duniya nahi bani hui waise. That's not how things are done, unfortunately. But
ये दुनिया, ये महफिल.
It's time to say goodbye, people. We'll catch up next time.
मेरे काम की नहीं.
Stay tuned for our next episode. Bye.